Hello and welcome to our VIP Financial Empowerment Program. This program is designed to show our clients how to access the tools, education, and resources required to build their net worth. The goal is to show clients how to use the bank's money to access more money, essentially becoming their own personal bank. The first step is to review your personal credit profile. This is done through our free consultation process. We'll review your credit via our preferred credit monitoring site. From there, we'll know if you can go straight to funding or if you need to go into one of our credit repair programs. If your scores are a 680 or higher, you may be eligible to go straight to funding. If not, our credit repair or credit boosting program is where you'll begin. The objective is to get you funding ready for our JUMPSTART funding program, where clients average $25,000 to $150,000 in personal funding. JUMPSTART funding is used as a tool to cover your membership fee into our VIP program without having to use your personal funds. If your credit is not where it needs to be, then you'll either need to do a credit repair package, a credit boosting option, or both. Available programs and packages are as follows. Express Credit Repair, which averages 30 to 120 days, is our team working on the credit for you. Now, becoming our most popular program is our Premier Do-It-Yourself program, which averages also 30 to 120 days and is slightly less in pricing. We offer several options designed to boost your credit scores, lower your utilization, or both when it comes to our credit boosting options. During your consultation process, your account manager will go over all programs and pricing for each. Once your file reaches a 680 plus FICO, you will then be assigned to a funding rep to help you get the JUMPSTART funding, which again ranges from $25,000 to $150,000. Funding averages 5 to 7 business days. Your back-end fees will range from 10 to 15%. Once you have paid your back-end fees, you can then register for our VIP program. Our VIP programs are as follows. VIP Bronze is $20,000 to $50,000 in corporate funding. VIP Silver is $30,000 to $70,000 in corporate funding. VIP Gold is $50,000 to $100,000 in corporate funding. VIP Platinum is $80,000 to $120,000 in corporate funding. VIP Uranium is $120,000 to $150,000 in corporate funding. And our top of the line package is VIP Vibranium, which is $1 million plus in corporate funding. The VIP program is a mix of financial education, credit repair and credit boosting, corporate build out, personal funding, corporate funding, smart investment tools, passive income solutions, access to private money funding, access to $500,000 in real estate investment funding, and so much more. Aside from the credit restoration and/or credit boosting, this process is being paid for using the bank's money to leverage you forward financially. If your credit is where it needs to be, there is no investment made out of pocket. When you are funded, you'll be using the bank's money to advance into the VIP program. This program is providing access to funding and investment tools that are designed to elevate you to the next level of financial success. The first step is to visit www.creditlady.com, select the Begin Consultation form, and complete the consultation process for funding. Once you complete the consultation form, be sure to lock in a good day and time for your free phone consultation. We look forward to working with you and helping you reach massive success.